Hey everyone, it's Jamie here with promotion and publicity for Hart Parr Oliver Collectors Association. And today I'm in New York at the New York Steam Engine Association Pageant of Steam show. They have this here every year. 3 years ago was the National Summer Show for Olivers. And this year they're featuring Minneapolis Moline. But there's a bunch of Olivers here and a bunch of my friends from the Oliver Club up in New York. And I'm going to meet up with them here in a little bit. Got some rain happening right now, so hopefully that doesn't hang around too long. But I just drove here from Ohio, about a 5-hour drive, and we drove through quite a bit of rain in the around Rochester area, and then it cleared out and now it's raining again, so we'll see. But looking forward to a fun afternoon checking out some tractors. I'll put those on here later and catching up with a bunch of friends. So we will talk in a little while again. Well, here we are at the Empire State Oliver Collectors outdoor exhibit, and they got quite a few tractors here on display. Real nice 1655 gas front wheel assist. George Corin believes that it says right here, one of 4 front wheel assist with a gas engine. So I'm sure some of our Oliver experts can dispute or verify that. George is 270. George just had that earlier this week out at the show in Quarryville. They had nice looking 1650 cockshot. Need to get on the other side here. This is George's also 285. .880 diesel. $16.55 diesel. $66 industrial. Good looking 66 gasser here. 1949. Really nice looking 1655 diesel here. As I mentioned at the beginning, the feature here this year is Minneapolis Moline. And I'm told by George Corin that there's about 100 Minneapolis Molines here at the show. Quite a good turnout of those. Three years ago in 2023 was when the last Oliver show was here, and this was the area that they had all the Olivers in at that time, both on this side of the building here and on this back side. But nice turnout here of Minneapolis Molines. This building here looks like it's specific for all of the clubs and chapters for Minneapolis Moline, and some vendors and such specializing in toys and memorabilia and that for Minneapolis Moline. Like we're having a meeting here. Nice looking restorations inside here. UDLX. Another feature of the show here in New York is the muscle tractors. and that's anything 100 horse and higher. And so here's quite a large area that has all these tractors in. We're still here in the muscle tractor section, and wow, look at this beautiful 1950. Been restored. Local here, Adam Robertson, New York. And then an 1850. These are beauties. Look at this. Front wheel assist. Nice looking machines. And like many others, I'm sure this is one of my kind of dream or bucket list tractors. 1950T. I know Chris Losey is one of them that's missing out of his collection. It's surprising that Chris doesn't have a T, but not a lot of people do, and would sure like to have them. Another one of George Corrin's 2 155s. And I love the 2050 and 2150s myself.
I can get a little background on that tractor.
Yeah, go ahead.
So that was bought or new in Vermont, not by the person that has the tractor now, but it was repowered by the dealer in Vermont with the Cummins in it. They took the Hercules out and they repowered it. I want to say like 20 of them possibly, and that was repowered, and then it was bought in an auction here, but the guy that owns it now. But it was a dealer done repower by a whatever dealer was in Vermont at the time. I don't know if they had trouble with the Hercules at that point, but that they put that in, so it's not just done by somebody; it was done by a dealership.
Okay. Yeah. Interesting.
I think there's a tag on the other side of what the dealership was.
Let's take a look.
Maybe not.
Fits in there pretty nice.
Yeah, it does. It adds up.
1968.
Yeah, with that wider tub, it fits down in there nicely.
Well, my battery here on my phone is about ready to die. I've only got a few percent left. So I'm going to try to get just a few more here that's in the muscle tractor section on film for you. But before my battery does go out, 2255 there. And then there's a 210, white 210. Good looking 1855. Cummins conversion, 2255 here. Don't know what brand these ones are here, so sorry about that. There's a couple more Olivers down this row. Yeah. Cockshot, 1350.
Yep.
Look at that. That is sharp.
It's actually the president of our Empire State Club. That's his.
Okay, this is Bruce's tractor.
That's Bruce's tractor.
Okay, yep. And you look at this beautiful 1955 front wheel assist. This is Aaron's tractor.
Yep.
And I'm here with Aaron.
Hello.
Friend of mine.
Yep.
You all the rest know him too, probably.
Yep.
Well, we didn't get this one on the backside yet, did we?
Adams. That was in Worcester. That's got a Perkins conversion in it that May boss did for him.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that. Yep, this one was at the Worcester show back in June. That is a beauty. These are both beautiful tractors. Oh, and another 1950T. I did see that one a minute ago. That is a nice one as well. That's about it for now. No more battery. Hope you all have a good day.